taken this little video of us putting together the air garden. It was pretty easy, I have to say. Everything that you need comes inside the kit. So we're pulling it all apart here, and Wayne's telling me what to do, of course. No, I was just kidding. So we've got the nutrients, we've got the wheels. I'm just tipping it over now and putting the wheels on the base. It comes with a little tool to put that on with. Wayne's putting the tubing together. There's only one tube that goes from the pump to the top of the unit, which is a lot different to the way our other system used to work. The pump is really easy to put together. It's not like the old auto pot that we used to have. That had a very complicated pump. This one, it just sticks to the bottom of the air garden, and now we're putting the top on. So each unit just clicks into place and we put the tops on, and the next thing that we need to do is to get our plants in, really. So how this works is we fill the base, which is 85 litres of water and nutrients. Not a lot of nutrients either, not compared to what we used to use. So once we've got those in, we just put in our plants. Now I've actually bought seedlings from AirGarden because I wanted to get it going straight up because I'm impatient. But you could actually grow your own seedlings and put them in. And the other thing you can do is buy seedlings from Bunnings or wherever you want to buy them from, and wash the dirt off and put them in these clay balls inside the little cups that come with it. So you can see me here, I'm putting in 30 different kinds of plant, or not 30 different kinds, but 30 plants. There's probably about 18 different varieties that I've got there. So the next step is we're just filling it up with water and letting the pump do its work. So day one, we moved the air garden to the other side of our veranda because it got more sun there. Each morning I took a photo, but this is by weeks. So week 2, you can see lots of growth. Week 3, it's massive. And week 4, ta-da, we are harvesting lots of veg and really enjoying it. I wonder if Wayne will let me have another one.